If you're in the mood for some good down-home cooking, as well as some great barbecue, make sure to check out iBarbque right here off of 441. Let's go inside and take a look. I've been having people tell me to come check it out, so I had a little bit of extra time after we left the farmer's market this morning. Let's see.
Okay, so this is iBarbque, owned by Mama Rose and Mr. Keith. We've been here for like 8 to 9 years. We serve barbecue, homemade desserts, homemade sides, all above. If you ask me, I love it. Eat good, real country girl, real good. But yeah.
So what do people get the most here?
The first page, they get like ribs, brisket, sausage. They get it all.
And tell me about the owners.
The owner, she's a very loving lady. I love that lady.
What's her name?
Her name Mama Rose, Mr. Keith. I love them people. They're good people.
Excellent. All right. By iBarbque, you heard it here. What's your name?
Raina.
You heard it from Raina. Y'all check it out now.
Yeah.
All right, we're back at home diving into our first dinner slash lunch brunch at iBarbque. It looks wonderful. As you can see, I'm already a fan of the fried green tomato. They put Parmesan on it, and I'm getting ready to have the rest. So looks good, smells good, tastes good. Check them out if you haven't already.